Hey YouTube, this video is going to be something a little different. I'm going to be, excuse me, I'm going to be closing in underneath my back porch to basically build myself a bigger workshop. And I'm going to do that mostly with pallets. I'll turn the camera around here in a second and show you what I've gotten so far and kind of explain that. Alright, so far I have my wall cleat there. I guess you call that a wall cleat, I'm not sure. Part way up, it's going to go all the way to the ceiling, but I'm using pallets and scrap wood and things like that. I also had these 4x8 cinder blocks, about 4x12 cinder blocks, solid, that I used for part of the quote-unquote foundation. Then I had this big piece of granite or whatever it is that was left here when I moved into the house that I used as the other piece. And it butts right up against the concrete or underneath the back porch. And then later I'll go through and I'll pour some concrete down in that crack just to shore everything up. But right now I'm just going to do a time lapse of this work and we'll see you at the end. Also, it is, I don't know if you can see, but it is sleeting right now. 36 degrees out here. So I can't put the camera out in the yard to get a bigger picture of what I'm doing. So for today, I'm just going to leave it under here, under the back porch, and let you see it from here. Alright, that's going to be all for today. We're getting a little bit tired. This will all be closed in as well. This is my generator. I want to keep it kind of out of the weather. I'll have a vent for where the exhaust comes out. In this end right here, I'll have a vent out the wall. The insulation board wasn't planned originally, but the other pallets were almost an inch thinner than this other one, so the insulation is just basically for filler for when I put the siding on. I don't insulate it all from the inside, but that's going to do it for today. Check back in another time and we'll do some more. Thanks for watching. Alright, back under the back porch today, and what we're going to try to do is take this dryer vent and extend it out to that outside wall. So that's the project. Say a little prayer. There's the dryer vent. It's sticking out a lot more right now than what it's going to be when I'm finished, because I'm going to put siding on and I want to make sure it's a nice snug fit after I do that. So there it is so far.